Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now I am going to explain cloud computing concept part 1 with 5 modules and 38 hours which is fully for beginners. About the course would be cloud computing system today open source to use inside companies and build a set of core technologies, algorithm, philosophies and so many things they are contributing in the cloud concept. The main reason of cloud we are using include MapRoute, NSQLs and classification distribution algorithms and sustainability readability. And how much it works in it will be 100% learning from the worldwide universities education institute follows all over India. And each course like an interactive textbook. It will be successfully complete the course assigned. You will be shared the electronic courses certificate to add it to your resume and LinkedIn. Started learning on Coursera. They may have also courses like make sure custom find your online, how to enhancement and project your online campaign, get a business online, and this all the certificate they are providing. If you have finished this 38-hour course, it will be helpful for you to update your resume on the LinkedIn post or portfolios. It all the key skills to show your HR whether I am talented in cloud concept with basic ideas and everything I am having. So don't miss this opportunity, which is the partner of Google. Always Google certificates are valid all over the world. So don't forget to apply. I'll put the link in the description. Just apply and start reading. You just want to visit Coursera. After Coursera, you may get like this and you just want to enroll for free now and start studying about the courses. The skills will be distributed algorithm, distributed computing, C++, cloud computing, flexible deadline, shareable certificate, 100% online, 1 to 6 specialization, beginners level, and approximately 23 hours to complete. This all they offered and this all the course organization and this is the model. First one will be orientation to introduction cloud, course with membership grids and P2P system and 4 key values store and next one will be class distribution algorithm. The review rate and everything will be must good. So start enroll now itself and prepare for your future. So thanks for watching this guys. Share to your friends.